Hey there folks, it's your favorite endocrinologist, Dr. J, coming at you live from the US of A today. We're talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, diabetes and smoking. Now, I've been living in the States for over 15 years now, and I've seen my fair share of patients struggling with this disease. And one thing I can tell you for sure is that smoking makes diabetes management a whole lot harder. Let me break it down for you. When you smoke, your blood vessels constrict, which means less blood and oxygen flow to your organs. This is bad news for diabetics because they already have damaged blood vessels due to high blood sugar levels. And if that wasn't bad enough, smoking can also increase insulin resistance, which means your body has a harder time using the insulin it produces. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels and more complications down the line. So, what can you do about it? Well, the obvious answer is to quit smoking. I know it's easier said than done, but trust me, it's worth it. Not only will you be doing your body a favor, but you'll also be saving a ton of money in the long run. There are plenty of resources out there to help you quit, from nicotine replacement therapy to support groups. And if you're having a hard time, don't be afraid to reach out to your healthcare provider for help. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, but Dr. J, I've been smoking for years, is it too late for me? The answer is no. It's never too late to quit smoking and improve your health. Studies have shown that quitting smoking can improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of complications, even if you've been smoking for decades. So, to sum it up, if you're a diabetic, smoking is only going to make things harder for you. Quitting smoking may be tough, but it's one of the best things you can do for your health. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Remember, I'm Dr. J, the world's most experienced endocrinologist, and I'm always here to drop some knowledge on you. And if you want to keep up with my latest videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification.